I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you the Siser Twinkle.
Right after this. Okay, so today we are going to be working with the Siser Twinkle Vinyl. It does come in a few different colors that you see here displayed. But today we are going to be working with the silver, and we also are going to be working with our canvas tote bag. So let's get started.
All right, first we're going to cut this with the Graph Tech cutter. Next, we're going to go ahead and weed this. And like most Siser products, this is pretty easy to weed.
But if you are having issues, you can always pull down the platen of your press, warm up your bottom platen for about 10-15 seconds, and then place your vinyl on it, and it loosens up the adhesive and kind of allows it to weed a little bit easier. And then we do sell the weeding tool online at coastalbusiness.com, so be sure to check that out as well. It is orange and Coastal branded.
All right, we're all weeded and ready to press. So we're gonna set our press at 305 degrees. And we're gonna go for 15 seconds on medium pressure. Okay, and this is a warm press, so we'll bring it over here. All right, we're gonna let it cool down a little bit, but still a little warm. We'll peel this right off. And there you go.
You now have one personalized bag. So again, Twinkle can go on cotton, polyester, or a blend of materials. So it does go on a wide range of items like a canvas bag as well. So be sure to check out the products online at coastalbusiness.com, and we will see you next time.